Every season I'm ballin'. Brody walk down like he Kimbo. He hopping out the little shots out the window. I'm from the 2 drippin' saw like Lorenzo. Little nigga Glock on him, make him look tenfold. We posted up on the back strip, flipping that work. You do semis and front flip. We put your bro on the run list. Soon as that work come in, then they touchdown, I'ma punt it. It's gone.
Yeah. On. How much power? Oh shit. Cool. Alright, after long hard work, This is the final product. That's what we got, man. The Qronge X1 Spark. This is the medium, I think. I believe they have a large and a small, but I will give y'all some more details tomorrow because it's already dark out. There would be no point of riding it right now. Look, we're in mode one.
We're here.
Mode 1, right? Rear brake, front brake, throttle. Be careful with it. I mean, mode 1, you only get up to like 15. And you won't even need to ride that fast. You having fun?
Cool, huh?
Did you have fun? Would you buy one?
Yeah.
$1,300. Pretty good price. And you can use my code and it'll make me some money. And it also got turn signal. The brake. Press the brake. See the other turn signal. Brake. It got brake lights. Bright LED neon headlight or whatever. It got a caution type headlight and also another caution type headlight. So yeah, and like I said, it also has 3 modes. It probably gets up to like 50 miles an hour. I'll show you guys that later, but I really wanted her to ride this because it's more her size. Sarah wants to unbox her bike.
Wait a second, it's a little. How do I take it off?
Fresh unboxing. Other side. Put it on kickstand.
Who loved me?
She got her nails done to match the bike.
Now this one.
Maybe.
Wrapped around the bolt down.
Yeah. And this too. Dash. Should be a little tab. I got it. So fresh, so clean. I don't know what's up with this joint. You ready to wheelie it?
You missed the part where I almost ate shit over there. Did you forget about that? Okay.
It's kind of cool how I got like the turn signal and stuff. You know, like if they were useful for whatever you're doing, it's pretty swag. But yeah.
Little brake light and shit.
Yep. Does it work for the front brake too? It does. It does indeed. Alright, now let's see you ripping it. You got the YAMAHA hoodie on a Qronge.
What is this junk called?
Qronge. Getting better, getting better. Getting better. She's new, so she doesn't want to ride in mode 3 and all. I can give y'all.
7 miles per hour. I'm good.
Is that what?
I'm going 7 miles per hour.
Oh.
What are you doing, dude? Got my turn signal on.
Yeah. She said she turned and she got to turn the turn thing on. Oh shit. Oh, she hit the roundabout. Yeah, you in mode 3. You about to fly.
I went like 30.
You can go as fast as you want.
How do I get back to mode 1?
You press this.
Okay.
Now you on
So
mode
wait, the
1.
faster I go, it goes up in modes?
No, you gotta switch modes.
I didn't touch it.
I think you did, but
I did not. I promise you, I did not touch it.
maybe I did. I don't know. Make sure when you purchase your X1 Spark, you use code Stephan50. The link will be in the description.